The Equality Act protects 9 characteristics, 3 of which are sex, sexual orientation and gender reassignment. The Act defines sexual orientation as an individual's orientation towards persons of the same sex, persons of the opposite sex, and persons of either sex. The Act also protects those who are discriminated against as a result of a perceived orientation, yet that not necessarily being the case. The Act defines gender reassignment quite broadly, and it provides protection for those who are undergoing a process, have undergone a process, or intend to undergo a process of gender reassignment. Examples of discrimination in the workplace can include employers or colleagues making inappropriate comments as a result of someone's sexual orientation, or alternatively it can involve an individual being placed at a detriment because they require time off work to undergo treatment or surgery as a result of a gender transition process. This type of discrimination can occur out of the workplace and can occur with an individual's engagement with government departments, organisations undertaking a public function, or alternatively service providers, and these would include universities, leisure and retail outlets, public and private transport providers. As a person who is undergoing part of a process in gender transition, conduct such as inappropriately questioning someone's gender, being addressed incorrectly despite knowledge of their presenting status. Further, inappropriate comments being made as a result of someone's sexual orientation or perceived sexual orientation could also constitute discriminatory acts. If a claim is to be brought in the Employment Tribunal, this must be brought within 3 months less 1 day of the discriminatory act. However, if claims are to be brought in the civil court, for example, in the event that the discrimination hasn't taken place within the employment sphere, then these claims must be brought within 6 months less 1 day of the discriminatory act. Stephensons have a specialist discrimination law team who deal with the negotiation and bringing of claims on a day-to-day basis. We can assist initially with discussing the proposed claim with you, then collating all of the relevant information to the dispute and assessing the matter and determining whether it's a case that should be brought before the court or the tribunal. Should a case be assessed as having the merits to go to tribunal or to the county court, then we can assist and advise you with the proceedings and provide representation up to and including trial. Work is undertaken on a privately paying basis, or alternatively, in certain circumstances, conditional fee agreements can be offered to clients to assist with representation. Alternatively, clients may well be eligible for funding under the legal help or the legal aid schemes, and we are able to assist with that. We understand that these are very emotive times for our clients, and we're committed to getting the best results for our clients day in, day out.